Good morning. It's the 15th of September 2021, and welcome to the Storm Daily Morning Meeting. Just to recap, yesterday we obviously had CPI that came out of the States. Market reacted quite interestingly with obviously the transitory camp winning yesterday, and sort of 10-year yields dip below 128. You had the dollar a little bit weakening initially. I think S&P was quite an interesting reaction with obviously tech going bid initially and then selling off. This morning we've got a weaker rand. We've got commodity prices quite a lot weaker, with iron ore also off again. Billiton's is down 3%, 10 cents off 3%. So all the big constituents in our index doesn't bode well for our index doing particularly well today. In saying that, we do have a futures closeout tomorrow, so a lot can happen in between now and then. Just to go into one of our ideas, we've also got a lot of ex-divs today. Just to go through them: Nedbank 433, Standard Bank 360, Absa 310, Sibanye 292, Old Mutual 25 cents, and Woolly 66 cents. So just keep your eye on that. I think our focus this morning initially, I think we're going to have a little bit of a look at the gold price. Gold price is quite an interesting intersection. It dipped below 1800 and went to 1790 on the number, and then sort of bounced back. It's at its 200 day, which is 1803, which is I think going to be quite a big inflection point. If we can hold here, I really do think this could have a little bit of a upside move or potential for upside. We've obviously got a few things going into tomorrow, but stock specific, I think we're going to have a look at some of the golds. Also, the silver chart is also quite bullish. I think it's also got quite a lot to regain. Just keep an eye on. I think this space, this precious metal space, especially with gold and silver, is going to be quite interesting going forward. So just to look to a few ideas for the day, we're going to first start off with Anglo Gold. Anglo Gold traded yesterday was on the news. It's sort of a decent seller at 220. If you pull out the chart quite a lot, you can actually see it's at quite a decent support level at 220. So I think this is a decent risk reward. It's obviously it's quite a volatile stock, but I think at these levels, this one might be one to watch this morning and one to own. 227.80 is a resistance level, and then 237.20. So just keep an eye on that. Harmony traded quite well, and the volume was pretty decent. Also, similarly, I think Harmony also got above its 8-day, 47.30. So I think this is one that maybe we could also buy. I think it's traded the best in the States out of all the other golds. So if you're looking for one to own, I think Harmony is one to own. And then finally, Goldfields, just a few levels here, also looks a little bit better, putting in a decent green candle, 26.50 and 130, the two levels to monitor. I think the weaker rand also will probably play into this today and maybe into the close of the week. Finally, just have a quick look at Sibanye, which is the dog of all dogs. I think let's watch what goes ex-div today. There's been serious volume there. We all keep thinking it's going to capitulate, or it has capitulated, but let's watch. 47.60 is quite a big level, going quite far back. It's obviously going to open up down there, around there. So let's see how the market digests. This might be a quite fast trade and a quick one to be in. Maybe watch that. So the gold sector is where I'll be watching this morning. Good luck for the day.